Hi, this video is about editing in Acme. We can use these techniques to search in Acme. We can type whatever we are searching for in the tag or body and then right click on it. We can use look command. We can even use regular expressions to search for what we are looking for. Let's say we want to search for the word Acme. Type the word in the tag bar, then right click on it. If you right click again, the mouse pointer will move to the word wherever it occurs. If the text is already present in the body, you can highlight it and then right click on it. The next occurrence will be shown. You can even highlight using the right click. Let's say we want to search for this path in this text. If we do a right click on it, the folder will open. But this is not our intention. Our intention is to search the path in this text. To do that, we can use look command. Type look and the path, then middle click on it. If you middle click on it again, then it will search through the entire file and highlight the text wherever the path is present. We can use regular expressions to search in text. If you want to search for the word welcome, type the pattern, highlight it, and then right click on it. If you want to search if a line starts with the word welcome, then use the caret, highlight it, and then right click on it. It will show the lines which are starting with the word welcome. We want to search lines which end with the word with. Highlight it and then right click on it. It will show the lines which end with the word with. To highlight a particular line in the file, let's say we want to highlight line number 23, then right click on it. If we want to highlight from line number 23 to 34, use comma, then right click on it. Let's say if we want to highlight from the beginning to the 34th line, if we want to highlight the entire file, then colon and then comma. Let's say if we want to highlight from line number 23 to the end of file, colon 23 and then comma. We can use dot to represent the current line. Let's say we want to highlight from the current line to the end of file. We can use a dot, colon, dot, and then comma. Will highlight from the current position to the end of line, end of file. We can use edit command to edit text in Acme. The first command will print the matching words, and the second one will print all the lines with matching pattern, and the third one will delete the lines which has the matching pattern. Here comma represents entire file. If you want to search only in the highlighted text, then don't use comma. Let's say we want to print all the occurrences of Acme word in this text. Type the command and then middle click on it. There are 6 occurrences of the word Acme. Let's say we want to print all the lines which has the word Acme. Middle click on it. It prints all the lines which has the word Acme. We want to delete all the lines which has the word Acme, then we can replace P with D, then execute with middle click, then the lines which has the word Acme are deleted. Control Z to undo the delete. Let's say we want to delete the lines with the word Acme only in the selected region. Then highlight the region, delete the comma, then again execute the command. So the lines which are having the word Acme and which are present in the selection are deleted. We can use these edit commands to replace, append, or to prepend to the pattern. Let's say we want to replace Acme with X. Use the command. Every occurrence of Acme is replaced with X. Undo, Control Z. If we want to append with a hyphen, execute the command. Hyphen is appended. If we want to prepend with plus, execute the command. Plus is prepended. We can use these edit commands to append tab or to comment lines in code, to insert date. The last command we can use to delete the last character of all lines. This is useful if we want to delete carriage return. Let's append tab to all lines. Tab is appended. If we execute again, another tab will be appended. Let's comment out lines. Lines are commented. We can insert date at the beginning of the file. We can insert date at the end of file. We can delete last character in each line. We execute again, another character will be deleted. The character. It is easy to select text in Acme if it is between matching brackets. We can select the text between quotes by double clicking before the ending quote or after the beginning quote. Double click, double click, double click. We can use this technique to highlight edit commands if we type them between square brackets. This way we can highlight the edit command quickly and execute it. That's it about editing in Acme. Thank you for your time.